Hi, my name is Marcy. I'm the owner of Regal Swim, and today I'm going to show you how you can teach someone how to do breaststroke. Breaststroke is really great because it's a resting stroke. So if you ever had to swim a really long distance, breaststroke is going to be better for you not to get tired than freestyle is. I teach them their legs. You bend your knees in, you spread your legs out, and you go straight together and hold them 1, 2, 3. So in, out, straight together, 1, 2, 3. In, out, straight together, 1, 2, 3. And for a child, I would do that longer. For adult, they can pick up on it pretty quickly. Next thing is you're gonna do that with a noodle. I would demonstrate. You can use 1 noodle or 2 depending on the size of the student. So you're just gonna go bend your knees in, spread your legs out, straight together. So bend your knees in, spread your legs out, straight together, 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold them straight for 3 seconds. Straight together, 1, 2, 3. Bend your knees in, spread your legs out, straight together, 1, 2, 3. In, out, straight together, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do your hands first, so your hands go like this, like this. 1, we'll do 10. 6, 7, 8, we'll do last 2 by yourself, 9, 10. Again, for a child, I would do 10 with me, and then I'd have them do 10 by themselves. But practice with your face in the water. So your hands are together, your face is in the water. Take a breath, hands come apart, face together. Take a breath. So face in the water. Take a breath, face back. Can you put your feet all the way in? Thank you. Take a breath, face back. Take a breath. Okay, do that 10 times on your own. So face in the water, hands together. No, okay. When your hands are together, your face needs to be in the water. Face in the water, hands together. Take a breath. 1, 2, 8, 9, 10. Technically, you would want to take your hands and like turn them out like this. It's not really that big a deal either way for it. It's just a beginning stroke right now. Now you're gonna do it arms and legs. So it's arms, take a breath, and then the frog legs that I showed you. So like this. Arms. Okay.
One at a time.
Yeah. Arms, take a breath, arms together, and frog legs. Good. Yep. The important thing about breaststroke, remember it's a resting stroke, so you have a glide, which gives you a rest. So it's arms, take a breath, frog legs, 1, 2, 3. Arms, legs, 1, 2, 3. Arms, legs, 1, 2, 3. Arms, legs. That's breaststroke, and he's actually never swam breaststroke before. If you'd like to learn more swimming techniques or to sign up for a private lesson, please visit regalswim.com.